So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yoker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can download and install Google Chrome on Windows PC. So first of all, open the Edge browser on your PC, which is the default browser. For this, press Windows key on your keyboard. Now here search for Edge. Press enter to open it, and this will open Edge browser. Now here search for Chrome download, and here click on the second link. Now here click on the download button. Now click on accept and install. And this will start downloading Chrome browser. Once done, click on open file. Now in the USC prompt, click on yes. And this will start running Chrome setup. Wait until the process is completed. And now Google Chrome is installed. Let's open it. And now you can sign into your account and start using Google Chrome. So this I can download and install Google Chrome on Windows PC. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.